Probable blood stains on the carpet and evidence of a clean-up. Those are some of the details the jury in the trial of the man accused of murdering Grace Millane heard today. Forensic experts have been in the witness box telling the court about what was found in the apartment where the British tourist died. The 27-year-old man, who has name suppression, denies the charge and is on trial in the High Court in Auckland. Our reporter Sarah Robson is covering the case and filed this report.
ESR scientist Diane Krenfeld told the jury that when forensic teams walked into the apartment in the City Life Hotel, there was no blood to be seen. But when the floor was tested with luminol, large patches of it glowed. Ms Krenfeld said they found two roughly circular areas of probable blood staining between the bed and the wardrobe. The larger area was about 70 centimetres in diameter and had some circular smearing in it. The smaller area was about 30 centimetres in diameter.
This had a more defined circular shape, and in my opinion, it could have come from the base of a circular object, such as a bucket.
Diane Krenfeld said they found other evidence of blood staining.
Around the main circular stain were small spots, such as would occur from a liquid containing blood dripping on the floor.
Diane Krenfeld said there was no blood visible on the surface of the carpet, but she described what they found when it was lifted by the police.
So there was red staining that was blood visible on the underside of the carpet, on both sides of the underlay, and also on the concrete floor in the area of the large and smaller circular probable blood staining.
There was also blood on footprints around the room. Diane Krenfeld said the evidence pointed to a clean-up having occurred.
The shape of the probable blood staining and the presence of blood and other residues in the underlay and the floor provide strong support for the proposition that clean-up of blood had occurred in this area.
But Diane Krenfeld couldn't say how long the blood had been there or when the cleaning happened. Another ESR forensic scientist, Turlo Thomas Stone, confirmed that DNA in the blood found in the room was Ms Millane's. He said blood samples were taken from the carpet underlay, the door of the fridge, and the inner lining of a suitcase found in the wardrobe. Under questioning by defence lawyer Ian Brookie, Mr Thomas Stone confirmed they didn't find any male DNA under Ms Millane's fingernails when they examined her body.
There's potentially no male DNA there in the beginning, or any male DNA that may have been there has been lost.
Turlo Thomas Stone also confirmed they did not find any male DNA in swabs taken from her skin. This afternoon, forensic toxicologist Diana Kapitos told the jury Ms Millane's blood alcohol level was more than 2 times the legal driving limit. Yesterday, the jury watched CCTV footage which showed Ms Millane and the accused man bar hopping, drinking tequila, cocktails and jugs of margarita for 3 hours. But Ms Kapitos said decomposition could have lowered alcohol levels in Ms Millane's body.
I cannot be certain that the concentration of alcohol I found in Ms Millane's blood sample was the same as was present in her blood at the time of her death.
Diana Kapitos said there was no evidence of drugs in Ms Millane's system. The trial has adjourned for the week and will resume on Monday morning. Mō te hōtaka o te ahi, ko Sarah Robson, aho.